YouTube. Today I'm gonna unboxing my sandwich maker. Let's get started. So this is kind of hard to do this. I only can wow. I don't know what's this. Oh. This is from the warehouse we got. It's kind of hot because it's from the back of the car. So we need to clean it with the cloth. We need to clean it with the cloth right here, not with the brush. This is my first time using the sandwich maker. My gosh, there's so many. Originated from China. Oh my gosh. Oh, we can, I don't know about this. I think we need to put the sandwich on square I kind of don't know. Do we need to cut it? Yeah, I think we need to cut it. So I think we need to put the oil in here by turning off this maker. So I'm gonna split this video until two episodes, because this one's for unboxing and the other one is gonna be to test it the next day, because I don't even have the bread to make it. So hope you got a best day, and leave a like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.